Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about what the Spotify Wrapped look like. So it's been recently released already, so you can go check it out for yourself. And it's really simple. So the first thing you'll have to do is go search up your Safari browser or any type of browser and search up Spotify Wrapped 2024. Now just press the first
I'm
link
gone. You see me blowing up.
to your actual Spotify. So right here, this is my Spotify. It will be redirected right here once you click the link, and you'll be able to see your songs and what Spotify rap would look like. So it's just really a compilation of your top artists, your top songs, what songs you've been listening through the years, months, basically. So like here, I got December to April to June, and here the next slide is gonna be how many artists you've listened to. Next is how many plays you got this year. And of course, the artist that's specially gonna come to you and talk to you through this. So here it's gonna be a random artist or artist that you have been playing recently. So this is the Chainsmokers right here, and they're here to greet you with a welcome with Spotify Wrapped. Next is right here. You're gonna have your artist, your top artist, and then here is gonna be all your songs and minutes listened to, and it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how Spotify Wraps look like right now. You can check it out right here also in this wrap section in your Spotify, and it's just that simple.